Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Course with Ayman. This is lesson 2 in our series English for Beginners. In the previous lesson, we learned about subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on object pronouns. They are small words, but they help your English sound clear, correct, and natural. Before we start, please grab your worksheet and follow along with me. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's quickly review subject pronouns. Rule number 1. Subject pronouns replace names or nouns. Rule number 2. They usually come at the beginning of the sentence. Rule number 3. They come before the verb, which means they do the action. Let me explain it a bit more with some examples. Example A. I start talking about my brother Hamza. In the next sentence, I don't need to say Hamza again. For natural English, I replace his name with the subject pronoun he. In the same way, the name Fatma is replaced with she. That's all for subject pronouns. Here is an important question. What if the person does not do the action? Should we still use the same words? Look at this example. This is my friend Ahmed. I saw he at the supermarket. Does this sentence make sense? No, it doesn't. This sentence is incorrect. So, why? Because he is a subject pronoun, and subject pronouns are used before the verb, not after it. So, who is doing the action here? It's the speaker, I. So, the correct sentence is, I saw him at the supermarket. But if Ahmed does the action, we say, he saw me at the supermarket. Now, let's look at another example. This time, think carefully and choose she or her. That's right. I'm helping her in the kitchen. First conclusion. Object pronouns always come after the verb. Now let's check your understanding. Example A. Ali likes pizza so much. Complete the sentence with him or it. Let's think. What does Ali like? Pizza. That's right. What does he eat a lot? Pizza again. So the correct answer is it, because it refers to food, not a person. Example B. This is my dad. Complete the sentence with him or he. Question. Who's the speaker I helping? The father. So the correct answer is him. Great job. Now let me show you how each subject pronoun changes into an object pronoun. Use me when I am not doing the action. You stays the same. It can be used a subject or an object. Change he to him when he is not doing the action. Change she to her when she is not doing the action. It stays the same as a subject or an object. Change we to us when we are not doing the action. Change they to them when they are not doing the action. Now let me show you how to use this table in a very simple way. I called him. Here we have 3 parts. 1. Subject pronoun, I. 2. Verb, called. 3. Object pronoun, him. One more example. He helped her. Now, look at the table again and get ready for practice. Read the sentences carefully and choose the correct option, A or B. Example 1.
We saw the movie, but we didn't like it very much.
Example number 2.
I called my friend, but he didn't answer me.
Example number 3.
Omar and I went shopping, and Mum joined us later.
Example number 4. She found the keys and gave them to me. Example 5.
Ali has a new bike. His father bought it yesterday.
Great job, everyone. That's it for today's lesson. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.